we live in a world, you guys, here's the thing. We live in a world that is set up to throw you off course. If you can realize that before it's too late, all you have to do is make simple changes in your living space, in your routine, etc., that changes that equation, and suddenly what used to destroy your health now uplifts it. It's a very simple, very basic form of alchemy, because the foundation of alchemy is indeed transmutation. And what is transmutation, folks? Transmutation is taking one thing and making it better. So what we do on this channel, what we talk about, is taking the shit of the world and turning it into something great. Because what do we do with shit? We fertilize things. We grow great things out of shit. We have the remarkably beautiful opportunity to take the negative things in the world and turn them into beautiful things. Use them as foundational stepping stones for growth. That's how you win. That, my friends, is how you win. That is how you fucking defeat the enemy. You take the shit that it gives you, you thank it for the shit, because you know that you now have the ability to change it into a beautiful evolutionary platform.